In a digital era like now, the use of online loans is booming and is dominated by Gen Z. This is proven by the Financial Service Authority (OJK) report in June 2023. The number of active loan recipients accounts reached 10.91 million recipients, with a loan value 29.87 trillion.
Hello everyone, I'm Desi Ramawati from the Indonesian Bina Niaga University. Here we will discuss online loans, starting from what factors influence a Gen Z person to take an online loans, the impact they feel, to tips for avoiding illegal online loans. How? Come on, let's discuss it. Addicted to online loans. Why does this phenomenon occur? Dependence on online loans among Gen Z is a phenomenon that is closely related to the modern lifestyle. Many young individuals use online loans to fulfill their needs or desires, such as shopping online, traveling, or buying sophisticated electronic products. But because of their minimal income, they use online as an option to fulfill their contemporary lifestyle. Apart from that, the online loan process is very easy. It only requires filling in data and identity documents, such as KTP, KK, and PWP, which can be done via an application on a smartphone. In a short time, funds can be directly transferred to the borrower's account. This advantage is what makes many people tempt to use online loans, especially among Gen Z.
According to OJK, vintage lending or online loans is the provision of financial service to bring together lenders and loan recipients in order to carry out lending and borrowing agreements in rupiah currency directly through an electronic system.
Currently, Gen Z is increasingly using loan service. We can see the lack of financial literacy among young people. Online loans, which offer practical funds, can actually leave its user in debt. This condition is caused by online loans having quite high interest rates and non-transparent administration costs. As a result, borrowers are at risk of having to pay larger debt than initially agreed. Borrowers are also required to pay unreasonable late fees and other fines. Apart from that, people who use this online loan service are contacted by Vintage as their customer's emergency contact. In fact, the person not know that he was used as an emergency contact. In time, this emergency contact will become inconvenient because you will be contacted continuously by them. Collection officers from Vintage, and this right is currently very annoying.
Some time ago, social media was abuzz with news that IPB students were victims of fraud and were caught in a loan. The perpetrator deceived the victim with a profit-sharing value of 10%. Initially, the victim was asked to borrow funds through an online loan and promised to pay the loan. After that, the funds are used to carry out transactions in the online shop. However, the perpetrator did not keep his promise to share profit and did not pay the online loan used for the transaction. As a result, the victim has to bear the bill himself.
In dealing with the phenomenon of widespread lending, The government needs to tighten supervision and law enforcement on loan providers and educate the public to be more careful. Because with financial literacy education, we can avoid the trap of illegal borrowing. Apart from that, in order to avoid illegal loans, we must first check the legality of the loan providers on the list of loan providers published by the OJK. Second, pay attention to the transparency of information regarding loan terms. Third, observe the billing method. Legal loans must comply with the billing code of ethics so that the billing method is not rude and intimidating.
Addition to online loans can have a very detrimental impact on individuals and their families. One of the main impacts is the financial downturn caused by high interest rates and additional fees that are often not transparent. Many borrowers get caught in a cycle of dig a hole, cover the hole. It means gali lubang, tutup lubang, where they have to borrow from other loan services to pay off previous debt. This can lead to increasingly heavy debt burdens, thereby reducing their ability to meet basic needs such as food, education, and health. According to the Financial Service Authority (OJK), online loan interest rates can reach 0.8% per day, which means debt can be loaned many times over if not paid on time, potentially plunging borrowers into poverty. Apart from having a financial impact, loan addiction also has a serious impact on the borrower's mental health. Many individuals experience stress, anxiety, and depression due to pressure to pay debts on time, especially when faced with intimidating collection methods from third parties. Some extreme cases even involve suicide due to pressure from debt collectors. This stress not only affects borrowers personally, but can also damage their social and family relationships. When the problems become a constant burden, this can cause conflict in the household and reduce the overall quality of life. Therefore, it is important for individuals to understand the risk of online loans and seek several alternatives in managing their finances. Next, solution when you are caught in an illegal loan. If you are caught in an illegal loan, the first step you must take is to stop paying the loan and immediately report it to the OJK and the police. Avoid threats from debt collectors by not communicating further and giving evidence of abuse. Apart from loans, there are other solutions available to get loans more safely, namely borrowing from formal financial institutions, such as bank or cooperative where the requirements are clear. So we can conclude, remain wise in choosing an online loan. Know the terms of the loan you will use. Don't easily trust those whose process are fast, because what is fast is not necessarily right.
That's the explanation about online loans. Hopefully, this information is useful for all of you. Thank you for watching and see you guys.